Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about some of the best natural remedies for stomach bugs. Stomach bugs can happen to anyone at any time. They can be caused by viruses, bacteria, or even contaminated food and water. The symptoms include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach cramps, and they can certainly throw a wrench into your day. But the good news is that you don't have to rely on medication to treat a stomach bug. There are plenty of natural remedies that you can try to help ease your symptoms and speed up your recovery. First on the list is ginger. Ginger is a powerful herb that can help calm an upset stomach and relieve nausea. You can try sipping ginger tea or adding fresh ginger to your meals. You can also try taking ginger supplements or chewing on ginger root. Next up is mint. Mint is another herb that can help soothe an upset stomach. You can try sipping on peppermint tea or chewing on fresh mint leaves. You can also try adding a few drops of peppermint oil to carrier oil and massaging it onto your stomach. Another great natural remedy is probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria that can help restore the balance of your gut flora. You can try taking probiotic supplements or eating probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables. Moving on, chamomile tea is another soothing natural remedy for stomach bugs. Chamomile tea can help reduce inflammation and calm an upset stomach. You can try sipping on chamomile tea throughout the day or taking chamomile supplements. And last but not least, apple cider vinegar is another powerful natural remedy for stomach bugs. Apple cider vinegar can help kill off harmful bacteria and restore the balance of your gut flora. You can try mixing a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with water and drinking it before meals. These are just a few of the many natural remedies out there for stomach bugs. Remember to stay hydrated, rest, and avoid foods that are hard to digest. And of course, always speak to your healthcare provider if your symptoms persist or worsen. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content.